In this video, I'm going to show you how to put text behind a person in Premiere Pro. So the first thing you need is, of course, to have a video clip with a person you would like to put text behind, and then you need some text you would like to put behind. Okay, so in my case, I'm going to just simply say working and put it behind this guy over here. So the first thing you want to do is have the text layer above the video layer and then duplicate the video layer by holding down the Alt key. So you hold down the Alt key and simply drag the video layer above the text layer. So text layer must be in between these two video layers, okay? And once you've done this, the next step is to create a mask around the person which you would like the text to be behind of, okay? And the way you do this is by clicking on the above video layer, going over here to Effect Controls, and under Opacity, selecting the Free Draw Besizer, okay? It's actually a mask tool, okay? So you click on this, and then you want to kind of just make a mask around where you want the text to be behind. Now, I'm going to do it very briefly. It's not going to be detailed at all for the sake of this tutorial, okay? But of course, you can zoom in and create a much smoother and much better kind of mask, which will get you better results, of course. And of course, the mask will be better and the text will go through it more smoothly, okay? And just like this, I've now come to the end. I've done it very quickly. Yet again, you can take more time, and I would actually encourage you to do so. And then don't forget to connect the last two, okay? So once you've done it, you want to click on the last one, which will connect the two. Now, we have created a mask. And as you can see, if I hide these two layers, there's a mask now. The problem is, though, that the object you're trying to put, the person you're trying to put text behind is probably moving, okay? Just in my case, as you can see, it's moving. Therefore, you want it to track the mask. So you don't have to do this for every single frame. All you can do in Premiere Pro is simply click the stopwatch over here next to the mask path, and then click this arrow to track selected mask forward, okay? You click on this, and as you can see, it's going to start tracking, and for every single frame, it will track how this guy typing behind the laptop over here moves, and it will make a new mask for each frame, which is very handy, since in the past you had to do this with your, by your hand, by your own, but now the AI technology of Premiere Pro can do it by itself. And now, just like this, as you can see, I can now move the text around however I'd like to. There we go, and it's always staying behind the object I just masked, okay? Let's say I want it like this, and if I now play this part of the video, as you can see, the text is now behind this man typing on a computer. Now, of course, it's not very smooth. You can see these edges, but that's because I didn't really take too much care, and I didn't really put in too much effort into creating the mask. So I would encourage you to do that to get a perfect result. And that's exactly how you put text behind a person in Premiere Pro.